With the new box coming out, let's open an old one and see what's inside. Okay, so I got this BT08. This is like 2 or 3 sets behind. I'm not really looking for anything particular. I'm just opening to see what's inside. I had this for a while, and looking it up, I see that Black War Greymon and Kimeramon are, well, one of the two that people are looking for, or at least that are sought after, based on the prices. I don't know. I will just see what we get and see if we get lucky. Okay. Okay, so immediately we have, looks like 2 promos or 3, I don't know. Okay, so first one right here, I might butcher the name, Yoli Inui, I think that's how you say it, from season 2. Okay, then we have a Arrow Vidramon 0, nice promo. I know that Vidramon was actually popular for a while. I'm not sure if the hype for him went down ever since that support card came out, but we'll just see if, we'll see what else is in here. Okay, so first up, Lightning Blade, not bad. We have Thundermon, Bisumon, Scorpiumon, and let's see, Hisariyumon, I guess. Aquilamon, then we got Dreamogimon, and then we have Samari Santi. We have Hydramon or whatever. Hey, nice. Armadillomon, okay. And we have a Sakugamon. And a Yukio Okiawa. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Okay, Angemon, good. Girigumon, Spinamon, Hookmon, okay. And then we have Beetle Gamamon, Mushroomon, Electromon, Naminaskeemon, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then we have Rasomamon, Fury Mode, Skull Nightmon, Caliber Mode, and another Yuri Inu, and a Ryodramon. Okay, Snowalgamon, Top Gun, Candamon. Then we have Captain Hookmon, Kachamamimon, okay. Miss Memory Boost, Extramon, and Vmon, nice. And we have Demidramon, Cyclomon, and Willis from that infamous movie, which was kind of weird in the American dub, am I right? And then Gigadef. Now, I'm not saying the movie was controversial or anything, it was just kind of weird how the dub was here in America. Okay, Patamon, Karatemon, Greymon, nice. Disaster Blaster, Master Trinamon. Then we have Ikarimon, and then we have Psychomon, Devimon, and then Sartari, and then we have Hero in the back, spoilers. And then we have Firamon, and then we have Azulamon. Okay, nice. Looks like full art. Okay, armor texture, Surfmon, Kukuwamon. Okay, Mist Boost again. Ultimate Bratramon, then Thundermon, Pistamon, and then we have Patenigamon, Flame, Pendulum Flame, I think, Terriamon, and then we have TK, then we have Hasamon, and we have Shivamon. Nice. Okay, Electamon, Mushroomon, Bichorzogamon, Hookmon, Anklamon, Scorpiomon, Fire Rockets, Bibimon, Kari Kamari, and then I don't know how to exactly pronounce that without butchering it, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. And we have the Digimon Emperor. And look, Imperiumon Fighter Mode. Nice. Pretty sure that back in the day when this came out, this was really good. At least one of the good cards. I think Paladin mode was the one that was people seeking out more, but nonetheless, still had pretty cool looking art, but I don't know how it is nowadays in the meta. Okay, so another Bitugamon, and then Kokorimon, Vrozomon, Thundermon, Lightning Blade, Psychmon, Kukuamon, and then Padimium Flame, Terriamon. We have a TK here, and then it just says Digimon. Is that normal? No, wait, that's not normal. It's supposed to say Armadillo-dramon. No, sorry. It literally just says Digimon. That's not right. Is it? Huh. Is it an error card? No way. And we have Flame Hell Scythe. Okay, I actually looked it up real quick. It's not really an error. It's actually called just Digimon. It's so weird. Why is it just called Digimon? I have it on the screen too, like the official TCG. It just says Digimon. That's just weird. I don't get it, but whatever. Okay, Pistamon again, Frozomon, Kachamamimon, Fire Rocket, Anklamon, Captain Hook again, Extramon, Hawkmon, okay, Hikarimon, and then Armadillomon, and then a Shakulamon, and a Orumon, Arumon, I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, Surfamon, Yakarimon, Master Tyrannomon, Armor Texture, Top Gun, Pulsemon, Thundermon, Bibimon, Kari. That name I'm not pronouncing. And then Cody. And Metal Greymon. Nice. Okay, another Mist Boost again. Angemon, Adramon, Hikuramon, Skull Satamon, Elecmon, Scorpiomon, Innocence, Blizzard, Black Gatomon, then Crimson Blaze, and a Gamamon. Nice. A Frost Villagimon. Pretty cool art. Kind of reminds me of a peacock. Nice. Ice peacock. Okay, Lightning Blaze, Bittergamon, Greymon, Mushroomon, Skull Marimon, Spinamon, Besumon, Plasma Shot, Kogamon, Gurimon, and then Agumon. Nice. And we have Sylphimon. I think that's how you pronounced it. Because I know all these Digimons have like very complicated names sometimes. I know I butchered them, but you know, like, I don't know, just how it is for me at least. So please bear in mind I might butcher some of the names. Okay, Patamon, Solmon, that guy, Disaster Blaster, Quilamon, Karatemon, Sibon Dokkan, Marsmon, Dino Humon, I guess, Shirimon, another Azulamon, and a Clymon. This is going to go through these commons now. Ooh, Flamedramon and Magnamon, nice. Very cool, I got both these in the same little pack. Nice. Okay, so I did show this earlier by mistake. So Davis and Ken and another Flamedramon. Okay, Dark Gia Force and Creepymon. Nice. Okay, Digimon again. And an Orphanmon fall down mode. Nice. Orphanmon fall down mode. Nice. So Myonismon and a okay, let me see. Zukiamon. I think that's how it's pronounced. Okay, I know he wants to show himself. Okay, thank you, Yukio. And a Brancho Mamimon. Nice. Okay. I always say nice because it is nice. It's a nice looking Digimon. Okay, Hero. And Yuji Musia. Okay. Okay, another Gamamon. And yo, Black War Greymon. Hey. That's nice. Actually got one, huh? Cool. I don't think this is the alternate art. I think this is the actual, like, normal art. Still badass. Actually, looking at the description of what he does. If this Digimon has a red Digivolution card, choose any number of your opponent's Digimon. If this Digimon has a black Digivolution card, choose any number of your opponent's Tamers. The chosen card's play cost must add up to 6 or less. Delete the chosen card. And it says here, all turns, once per turn, when an opponent's Digimon deleted, is unsuspend this Digimon. So that's actually a pretty nice effect. You delete their stuff, and then every time something's deleted, this gets unsuspended. So I can see why this is very like sought after. Yeah, but now I have one, and it's mine. Okay, Rudamon and Gamamon alternate arts. Very nice indeed, because look how cute he is. Look at that. We have Jellymon, and I forget the other guy's name. I don't know on the top of my head, but I know Jellymon and Gamamon. Either way, pretty good series. I recommend it. Yeah, the Digimon Ghost game is pretty good right now. I think it's getting pretty intense. I kind of left off watching it for a bit because I kind of got a little bit tired out. But I should check it out because I think right now you got like a pretty crazy thing going on. Terramon, okay. Lagia Force and Lydramon, yeah. Okay, Skull, Nightmon, Calavergamon, Hasamon, and another Branchel Mamimon. Okay, last pack. Hopefully we get something good in here. I don't know. Let's just open it up and see, right? Okay, Mistamon and another Digimon Emperor, okay. Oh, so I actually realized that this promo card has 2 in there. So you have Arrow Feedramon 0, and underneath it is Ultiforce Fendramon 0. So there's 2 in there. I'm not sure why they put 2 in there. I don't know if that was something that happens, but I have 2 in there, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. I appreciate you watching this. And, well, hopefully next time I have the cross encounter, you know. And until next time, okay? Peace out.